Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. And this time we're demonstrating an AM-FM-8 track out of a Camaro. Customer did not specify the year, but it's most likely late 70s, possibly early 80s Camaro. This comes from Steve in Traverse City, Michigan, and Steve has requested the modern internal conversion to greatly increase the output power, because this radio has fully isolated speaker output, so a conversion gives you a heck of a lot more output power even with your existing speaker system. So anytime you have a conversion done on this type of radio, you probably should replace your speakers, because they're likely to blow at high listening levels. So we've got the FM conversion with Bluetooth, and we're going to demonstrate it all. I've got it set to AM at the moment, to the one strong station I receive in my area, so we can demonstrate the virtual balance and fader functions without getting nailed for copyright issues. So let's turn it on to AM.
Anthony Hayes stars in the drama Better Man. Dennis Quaid stars in the horror The Substance. The Room Next Door, a drama starring Juliana Moore. The animated family adventure Fader Adjust.
Okay.
Timothy Chalamet stars in A Complete Unknown. This drama horror mystery The Dam, starring Joe Cole and Odessa Young. Sing Sing, Fader Set. Dino Johnson.
Left, right, balance.
That's your KQ&A Quick Balance Adjust. Play now at your local cinema. You can check show times and get ticket prices by calling your theater or logging on to their website. Balance set.
Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so you heard that. Okay, now we're going to move over to FM, and I have all 5 presets set to a station in my area for a quick test. Okay, now we're on FM.
Yes, it's today's show full of stories.
Okay, let's try the 8-track. Blank spot there. Make sure the dial light comes on and off. Yep, you can see it flashing on and off through that hole right there. Okay, so we're good to go. She's ready to go back to the customer. I'm ready to get on to the next video. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below. And off that website, please download and print the work order before calling me with a bunch of questions, because all my prices and options, including options for turnaround time, are right there in the work order. It's going to save us both about 15 minutes on the phone with each new customer, which keeps me on the bench where the work actually gets done, and that's where I need to be. So please observe that before contacting me. Thanks so much for watching and listening, and thank you, Steve, for your business all the way from Traverse City, Michigan, and we'll see you guys next time.